Welcome to Wildix Collaboration 7. This is where your business calls, messages and meetings come together all in one place. In this video tutorial, we will walk you through the first-time access to Collaboration 7 and cover the basic steps you need to start working. Advanced features are not covered in this video. Start from the invitation email you received. Click the link to join Collaboration 7. We recommend using the latest version of Google Chrome. Sign in using Google or Microsoft Single Sign-On, or log in with your email address. At this step, you can also download the mobile app for your smartphone by following the links to the app stores. After you log in, let's confirm that you're connected to the correct Wildix PBX. Click your profile picture in the top left corner to open Settings, then select Connect to Wildix PBX. Make sure the PBX domain field is not blank. If the field is blank and you're not sure which domain to use, contact your system administrator. This step ensures that calls, extensions and contacts work correctly. Now let's do the basic setup. First, set your user picture. Click your profile picture to open Settings, then open Profile Details. Here you can upload an image, crop it and apply the changes. You can change your picture at any time. Next, let's look at present status. Click your current status to change it quickly. By default, you can choose between available, away or busy. Your present status helps colleagues understand when it's a good time to call or message you. You can also set a status message. Click your profile picture. Under Availability, click your current status, then choose Set Status. Here you can add a message and configure the Clear After option to automatically reset your status to available. Click Set to apply the changes. Now Notifications. Click your profile picture to open Settings, then go to Notifications. Enable alerts for personal and group conversations so you don't miss messages. When you first logged in, your browser should have prompted you to allow notifications. You can always review browser permissions, such as notifications, microphone and camera in your browser settings. To make sure Collaboration 7 works correctly, keep these permissions enabled. Finally, set your audio and video devices. In audio and video, choose your speaker, ringing device, microphone and camera, and do a quick test. These settings can also be changed later if needed. One note about language. The interface language is taken from your browser's preferred language. If your language is not available, English is used by default. Now let's place a call. Open the dial pad from the top menu. Before calling, make sure you are using the correct device. Click this device to see available options such as the web app, mobile app or a desk phone. For external calls, you may be able to choose which caller ID is shown, such as your personal number or a service number. You can make calls directly from the web app without installing anything. Type a name or number, then press the green call button. During a call, you have access to essential controls, such as mute, hold, transfer, call recording and the keypad for DTMF tones. Calls can also be started from other places such as search field, conversations, history or contacts. We will not go into detail in this video. When you receive an incoming call, you'll have an option to answer, hang up or transfer to another person or your own voicemail. All your recent calls are available in the History tab along with call recordings. Voicemails are also available from the Voicemail tab. Use calls for voice and telephony features like transfer and hold. Use meetings when you need video or screen sharing. Now it's time to send your first message. Use the search field and type a colleague's name. Click the result to open a one-on-one conversation. Send a quick message. Click the info icon in the upper right corner of the conversation to open the info frame. Here you can see additional details about the colleague and view chats in common, which helps you find shared conversations. Hover over a message to access key tools. You can edit or delete your own messages. Add reactions, quote a message, forward it, copy it or pin important messages. If available, Assistant, shown as a magic wand icon, can help you draft, summarize or translate messages. Assistant is always available to the left of the message input field. To share a file, use the paperclip icon or drag and drop files directly into the conversation. To stay organized, you can mark conversations as unread and pin important chats so they stay at the top of the inbox. To do that, hover the mouse over the conversation and click on the arrow down icon to view the list of actions. Now that you know how to start a one-on-one chat, let's create a group conversation. Click the plus icon to the right of the search field and choose Create Conversation. Enter a title and an optional description. Then click Next. Add colleagues or external contacts and click Create Conversation. After a conversation is created, you can add more members at any time from the info frame. You can tag participants by typing the @ sign followed by their name. The info frame provides additional controls. You can mute notifications for this particular conversation. You can click Edit Conversation to edit the title and description. The available by link option allows external users to join the conversation or scheduled meeting, even if they haven't been added to the conversation. Archiving a conversation removes it from your recent list until there is new activity. You can also leave the conversation from the More button at the top of the info panel. To remove a member, hover over the participant, click the three dots, and select Delete Member. You can also manage conversations directly from the inbox list by hovering over a conversation and opening the More menu. As your inbox grows, use the tabs All, One-to-One, Group, and External to find conversations that need your attention. The inbox is where you'll spend most of your time in Collaboration 7. Other menus are not fully covered in this video. For a quick video meeting, start from any conversation. Click the video icon to start a conference. Others in the conversation will see a Join button and can enter instantly. To present, click Screen Share inside the conference and choose what to share, your screen, a window, or a tab. Video conference controls allow you to record a meeting and to enable real-time transcriptions. Both can be consulted and downloaded from the chat conversation once the meeting is over. You can watch and download it in Sales Intelligence. If you want to plan ahead, open the info panel in a conversation and use Schedule to create a meeting with the participants. You can schedule a meeting directly into Google or Microsoft Calendar. When you add new users or schedule a meeting with them, they receive an automated email notification with the link to join the conversation. To log out, click Settings and scroll down to the end of the list. You can always check the current version of the app by clicking About from the settings. Anytime there's a new version of the app, it is installed automatically once you refresh the browser page. If you have any question or suggestion, please click on the feedback button to share it with us. That's your quick start. You're now ready to use Collaboration 7 for calls, messages, and meetings. For more advanced features and configuration, refer to the Collaboration 7 user guide. Thank you for watching.